Everyone thinks ChatGPT is AI, but real AI is quietly solving the impossible in manufacturing. When we hear AI, we think of ChatGPT, Gemini, or maybe Xai. They're smart. They can talk, write, and answer questions, but they can't solve paper sheet breaks, product quality inconsistencies, rising process costs, paper cockling issues, real-world problems in factories, on your machines. While we are all chatting with bots, there is a silent AI revolution happening in factories. An AI that doesn't talk, it acts. Meet bigai, the domain-specific AI, built for the real world. The power of domain AI, bigai. At Turilytix.AI, we built bigai, the world's first no-code domain AI for manufacturing. It doesn't just chat, it thinks like a process engineer. It learns from process fluctuations, mechanical vibrations, pulp and chemical variations, energy glitches, downtime patterns, operator actions. Then it predicts the unthinkable before it happens. Bigai in action. From invisible data to real-time decisions. Sheet break prediction. Bigai doesn't just monitor. It predicts sheet breaks, quality dips, process cost spikes, and more 30 minutes before they strike, giving operators time to act, not react. In an industry where every second lost is money burned, knowing what's coming is game-changing. Quality optimization. Detects subtle trends in moisture, fiber mix, or temperature, and flags quality issues early. Less wastage, fewer rejects, happier customers. Product and process cost optimization. Identifies hidden inefficiencies across the line. Suggests tweaks in process conditions to save money every hour. Paper cockling prediction spots. Anomalies that cause cockling, like drying inconsistencies or web tension drift. Prevents defects before the roll is even finished. Bigai is not just another AI tool. Bigai is a domain-trained co-pilot with actionable insights for process engineers, helping them to find root causes, reduce unplanned downtime, stabilize machines, and improve product quality in real time. Real impact. From improving runnability and product quality to enhancing root cause analysis and even optimizing process costs. Safer operations. Operators empowered, not replaced. Bigai is more than a chatbot. It is your invisible engineering co-pilot and smarter decisions without needing data scientists. Want to see how it works? Visit Turilytix.AI and bring AI to your shop floor. Predict, prevent, perform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.